Did you hear that? What was that sound? Oh my goodness! Mira, come on in! The drop is too steep, and we don't have enough rope for a direct descent.
What if we use the grappling hook to secure a line across to that ledge?
I think if we combine these thinner branches, we can make a decent probe.
Good idea. And these vines seem strong enough.
We've got you!
Almost there.
Oh, you're safe now.
It's good to see them happy.
They deserve it after everything. Sometimes, the greatest rescues happen when we refuse to walk away.